Hello everyone, welcome to Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a miscellaneous shopping haul for you. This first sweater you might be able to identify. Kayla from Kayla's Closet actually got it in her Trendsend quite some time ago, and I've been very jealous ever since she got it, and I've been waiting for this thing to go on sale. And I finally did, and I went to the Evereve site and I purchased it. I think it was about $70. It's the Line and Dot favorite off-the-shoulder sweater in dark navy. Now they're calling it off-the-shoulder. I got it in an extra small. It really isn't off-the-shoulder on me, but it has this very interesting neckline. You know, maybe it is slightly off-the-shoulder, but it's not like hanging down. So it has this interesting neckline. I really like it. And I've been looking for a navy sweater because I have these driftwood jeans that I really like, and I just haven't been really wearing them in the winter. Like, yeah, I can wear gray with it and whatnot, but I really wanted navy because the leaves and stems in this is a dark navy. So now I have my navy sweater. Now this isn't exactly what I was thinking of when I got this, because I kind of feel like the pants are kind of like a boho vibe with the embroidery, and the top's kind of like a little bit edgy with this, but I think it still works. This sweater is incredibly soft. So the material on this sweater is 50% viscose, 28% polyester, 22% nylon. The bad thing is dry clean only, which because I like the sweater so much, I'd be willing to dry clean it. You know, I probably wear it like 4 times during the year, 3-4 times, dry clean it twice, I can deal with it. Okay, so I'm very happy with this purchase from Evereve, and I have one more item to show you from Evereve, so give me a minute and I'll try that on. Next up from Evereve is the Ramona Varsity Stripe Pullover by Rails. As you all know, Rails is crazy expensive, and this was the same. It was $138. I waited forever for it to go down to 70 bucks. And I still think it's too much money that I spent on it. I don't know why. Janine got this in her Trendsend a while back, and I'll link Janine and Kayla's channels so you can check them out. But she got this, and I don't know why, but I had to have it. I have a thing for varsity stripes lately. So this is just a white, maybe even slightly off-white, but really white, you know, French terry sweatshirt. It has the rose gold, the regular gold, and the silver stripe. And it's, you know, metallic without it but being very understated. And I had to have it. I don't know why. So here it is. Now I own it. I don't know why I needed to have this, but it was just something, it was like, I want it. So I just paired it with my Liverpool skinny jeans that I got a while ago on my mix and match, and I have I forget the name of their end of these shoes, Via Spiga, I think they are, I'm not sure, I can't remember, wedge sneakers that I'm wearing with it. And actually, my viewers told me to get these sneakers, so this is a keeper. I'm happy with it. It was just something I had to have, and I'm finally glad I got it and have it. Okay, up next are 2 mustard or yellow colored Stitch Fix cardigans. Give me a minute. Okay, from Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks, I got this yellow cardigan. It's the Evolution by Cyrus Mina button sleeve detailed cardigan. I got it in extra small, and the material is 80% rayon, 20% nylon, hand wash separately, cold water, lay flat to dry. You know, I'd probably put this in a garment bag and put it on delicate in my machine. This is the color yellow I was looking for. If you guys might have known, you said, oh, that Amazon sweater goes perfectly with this top. And yeah, it did, but the color to me was a different color. It was more mustardy. So let me show you the yellows here. This is more of a yellow. And yes, it goes perfectly with the yellow in the flowers. And it's yellow, not mustard. So I know on camera you're having a hard time seeing the difference in colors, but I like this color. I didn't like the color of the other one. It was too mustardy. My only complaint about this is, do you think this is too small? And do you think I should size up on this? Or is it just like maybe a shorter cardigan than I was expecting? It does cover my butt. But it's not that particularly long. So let me know your thoughts on this. I believe it was $54, also more than I would really like to spend, but I've really been looking for a long time for a cardigan to wear with this top. So let me know. The next cardigan I have to show you was described, I'm pretty sure, as gold, all right? So I thought gold, yellow, you know, golden yellow, that's what I was thinking. So this is the Letty and Me Kayla side button detail open cardigan, gold, extra small. Now, I have nothing wrong with this color either, but I don't call this gold, really. To me, this is almost like a tan. Okay? Something's getting caught. Okay, so, aha, now I see what's getting caught. It was the damn hanger tags. So I'll try this on, but this is not what I was expecting. This is tan, all right? So, okay, this fits a little bit longer, and here's the side button details. They're like a tortoiseshell button, just to show you here. So this is cute a lot, but it's not the color I wanted. So to merit to the flowers, it's really like a tan. All right, so this would not go at all. This is a tan, and not a yellow. So this is going back, but I like the length of this one a little bit better. And this is definitely much larger. Look how much I have to roll up the sleeves. So this is just definitely a larger fitting sweater than the other one. And this one was cheaper. I can't remember the exact price, but I think it was like $44, and that was like $52 or $54. So, you know, again, both of them I think are too pricey for what they are, but I am looking for a very specific color. I think I'm going to keep the yellow one, but let me know your thoughts. If you think it looked too small on me, then I will return it. But I've been looking forever for a cardigan that can go with the flowers in this shirt. Okay, give me a minute. I have a White House Black Market outfit to show you. You've seen the top already, but I haven't made the decision about the top. The pants are the matching the top, and I'm not so sure about them either. So give me a minute. Okay, I'm up in the air about this outfit. So this is the kimono, which I've previously shown you. It's color block kimono. It's black with cognac underneath, and it is a double layer. And then with it, I got the matching cognac coated jeans. Now, the jeans are a 0 short. They didn't have petite, but I like the way they fit. They're just a little bit big here in the crotch area, but nothing terrible. They're comfortable. My only complaint about the pants is, listen, so I have to make sure when I walk that I don't like have any thigh rubs, so make that noise. Let me know what your thoughts are on these pants and the kimono. Some of you liked the kimono last time. Some of you said that it was swallowing me up and didn't look attractive. Others said that don't get anything matching. It would look too matchy-matchy. I don't know. I don't want to look like an old lady wearing this, but I thought it was kind of cute. So let me know your thoughts. The cognacs don't exactly match up, which I don't know if is good or bad, if it's okay and doesn't make it as matchy-matchy. Tell me if you keep the top, tell me if you keep the pants, tell me if you would wear this together. And I have this paired with a pair of pumps, slingback pumps. You guys let me know too if this is what you would pair it with. I have booties, but my booties tend to have a thicker, clunkier heel, and I thought with something like this outfit I needed more of a streamlined. Plus, because it's a kimono and light and short sleeves, I won't be wearing this until it actually warms up, like in the 60s or 70s. So let me know your thoughts on this outfit, and that's it. And again, this is from White House Black Market. So this haul had Evereve, Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks, and White House Black Market. Thank you again for returning subscribers. Oh, can't talk today. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It's free. It just helps me out. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Take care, and until next time.